Good morning, everyone.
Yeah, hi Samir.
Good morning, sir.
Just 2 minutes, we'll start. 6:33, 6:35, we'll start maximum. Okay, so we shall begin now. Anyways, so guys, the today's case study. We'll start with the case study now. Am I audible?
Yes.
Yes, Samir.
Okay, so the today's case study and the title of the case study: copy data. Yeah. Directly message me. Thiru, message me to my WhatsApp number. I can add you there. Copying here again. Okay. So now, guys, anyways, the title of the case study: copy data from AZURE blob storage to Azure blob storage using single account. Okay, using the single account. So guys, let's go ahead with this. Okay, so let's go ahead. So now guys, the specifications, I'm writing it, the specifications of the day. So based on the specifications, we are going to move further. So guys, the first one is the source data storage. So the source data storage, as per this, we have it as the Azure blob storage. Okay, so as per this, this one, the storage, there is, as per the specification, the storage is the Azure blob storage, and Azure blob storage, and then we have the file. So now even I'll go with the single file now. Okay, airlines dot CSV. So guys, again, I'm using the sync data storage. So here also I can use the Azure blob storage. So the difference here is, we are going to use, everyone, see, in the same storage account, I'll be using containers. And these containers here I'm using as an input. Okay, container, here I'm using the input, and the same I'm using it here as a output. That's it. So here I'm using output. That means in the same account. Today I'm not creating a separate account here. So in the same account, in a single account, we'll create the input and the output, and we'll copy that. Okay, input and the output in the same account. So let us begin this. So okay. So till now, the previous case studies, what we have done, we have seen different accounts. Am I right? We have used the different accounts, but today we are going to see the single account, account one. So for this also account one, yes guys, for this also account one, and even for this, we'll just make it as account one only. In the single account, in the single account, account one, in a single account, we'll be having the input and the output container. That's it. Okay. So let's do this. I'm just removing it, the containers, because I want a single container. Input is a one and output is also one. So anyways, so we'll just see this, and then we will see some other case study also today. So guys, as per the process, let's go ahead with this. So I'm sharing you the screen right away. Am I audible to everyone?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so let's begin this. So as per the as per this case study, first of all, or whenever you wanted to begin, first of all you have to create the resource group. So just create the resource group as it is, and I'm opening the different separate tabs, but you can work it on the single tab itself, just to avoid the confusion. Okay, and as you have started interfacing very recently, so guys, just use the resource group first. We have to create the resource group, so just create the resource group now. Click on the create. and give the resource group name. So I'm using the resource group name as a single account copy RG. See, RG is a normal name. I'm using it just to recognize that for our recognition purpose that this is basically the resource group. That's it. Okay. Now the resource group is ready. So just open this. Soon after this, just go to the storage account. So as you want the blob storage, so simply click on the storage account. And now once you're there onto the storage account, click on the create. And now automatically the resource group is selected here because you don't have any, but in the real time, you can just search here like this, whichever the resource group you require to create under. And here I'm using the source single account, source single account. So guys, just review it as it's a blob, simply review it. Nothing else. Click on the create. So now it is being prepared. So meanwhile, till the time it creates, so we will go and create the sync system as well to save the time. Okay, anyways, the same account now. So just wait. Okay, now what we will do is we'll start the data factory. Okay, so because, okay, to avoid the delay and to save the time, we'll use this, the data factory session. And now already the resource group, you have to select it here manually when you create a data factory session. So guys, here, what is it? You have it. So give the instance name. So I'm using instance in session. Okay. Instance single account copy. Instance single account copy. That should click on the review. And again, click on the create. That's it, guys. So here you have it, everyone. Yeah. So can you see here? The storage account is ready. So click on this. Go to resource now, everyone. Go to the resource. And from the left to blade, guys, from the left to blade, click on the container. Click on what's that? Container. So what is container? Exactly what do you mean by container? Yes, guys. What is the technical definition of a container? Anyone? I have given even the definition of this containers as well. Am I right? Basically, guys, containers are the pointers to the, yes, everyone, containers are nothing but pointers to the physical location of the data. What is it? These are the pointers to the physical location of the data. That's it. Okay. So click on this container now. And now, guys, click on the new container. So I have created the input container and click on the create. The first container is ready. So in the same, I am creating one more container. That container is output container. Yes, guys, everyone, are you there? Click on the create. Now see, in the single account, I'm creating the input and output. So go to the input now. The input should be uploaded with the data or the blobs. Click on the upload. Blob means the files only. Okay, browse it. So I'm using the same file that is called as airlines. Okay, so just have it on this. So I'm using this airlines. Upload. That's it. Now click on this, go to resource. Now guys, just I'm opening the data factory. Anyways, guys, when you talk about this one, so here you have it, input and output containers. Output should be empty, as you know. And now the input is uploaded with one blob that is called as a airlines.csv. So now what we will do, we will transfer it from the container called, what is the container? Input, from the input to the output container. That's it. Okay. So now just go here and now launch it. Okay. Anyways, we have launched already. So just open this. Now guys, from the left to blade, click on the expand. These are called as what? Tiles. First, click on the manage tile. Now tell me how many how many linked services are required for the session right now? Please, guys, everyone. How many linked services are required for the session now? Yeah, please.
One link service.
Only one link service, not more than that. Okay, because you have only one storage account. Based on the storage accounts only, you will have to decide the link services. So click on the new link service, guys, everyone. And now write it here. The first one, that is called as a blob storage. And now ls underscore blob underscore. I'm using source and sync. That's it. Source and sync, only one. That means source is also same link service. Sync is also the same link service. That's the only thing it means. So now, guys, just come down, everyone. That should click on latest connections. Now successful connection is established. Click on the create. That's it, guys. Now this is ready. And now next one, go to this author. Now, guys, tell me now what is the process you have it. So first of all, you have to create the data set. So, but here you can create the two data sets. Click on the new. Click on the new. And the first data set, you have to create it for the blob storage. So provide the name here. DS underscore. What is it? Blob
Source.
underscore. Yes, very good. Source. And that's it. Select the link service here. And now first row as the header means consider the first row of the file as the header. Browse it. Input. Airlines. That's it. Click on OK. And now create one more data set. Data sets should be two. So again, the same blob you have to use it. And I want the CSV file. And now, guys, give the name here. So we require to give ds underscore blob underscore, that means data set, which is a blob storage. And this is the sync. That's the only thing it means. Select it, use the same link service, and now browse it. This time you have to select what? Output. That's it, guys. Anyways, output is the empty. Output is empty. So now, guys, go to the pipeline and click on the new pipeline, everyone. And now, guys, provide this PL underscore. What is it I want? Blob to blob copy using single account. That's it. Okay. This is the name I wanted to give it for my pipeline. And now, guys, just go to this move and transform from the activities pen and copy the data activity. Select the source. Now, guys, select the sync. That's it. So just come down here. And now here you have an extension called .txt. So you can change it to the CSV if you want. That's it. So, guys, that's it. Okay. So finally, debug, nothing else. The program is ready. Just debug it. Queued up means what? It is queuing up. If you want, you can just, have it on this. Just you can minimize the pens. Succeeded. Just go here, everyone. So just go to the output. Is the data copied here? Everyone? Hello? Are you there or not? Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So now this is how you can copy it using the single account with the single link service. That's it. Okay, next one. The next case study, guys,
Samir, what does that publish all stand for?
for saving this entire pipeline.
Okay.
Whenever you wanted to save this pipeline permanently, because if I close this browser, this pipeline will be lost. Getting my point? The pipeline will be lost. So if I want that to be retained permanently, I can use the publish. That's it.
Okay.
Storage accounts will be there. Tell me. Somebody want to ask?
Yeah. Hi. So Samir, you have provided the dataset linked for that folders, right? Not for that particular file.
Yes. I have created the
If
source
we
and
have
sink.
multiple
I
files,
have mapped it. Basically, I have mapped it to the location of my source, location of my sink. Data
okay. And
sets.
sometimes if we have multiple files and we just want to try move only one or two
Coming to that
files.
now. Now coming to that. Okay. The next case study is
Okay.
that one.
Okay. Yeah.
So guys, here I'll see one more case study as we have a time now. Case study. So guys, the case study is the 4. Now guys, the title of the case study. Copy data from okay, Azure blob storage to Azure data lake. Guys, copy data from Azure blob storage to ADLS, that is Edu Data Lake Gen 2. Okay, using multiple files and options. Using multiple files and options. Let us see here. So based on this, we are going to move. So guys, the source data store, everything is as it is. Just I will change it here. Few changes we have to make it. I'm just copying this instead of typing it every time. So the source data storage is Azure blob storage. So this is a different account. So remove it. And the container. So today what we will do is now what we will do is instead of having the file, we will make it as files. And now we'll just remove this. Sync data store is what is that? ADLS Gen 2. So remove all this. ADLS guys Gen 2. So instead of this, we'll just make it other files. Files means multiple files, you can say. That's it. Files it itself represents that many files, not a single file. Many files are there. Okay, that's it. That's it, guys. So here is this case study. Based on this, we are going to move further. So what is the title of the case study? Copy data from Azure. Sorry, copy data from the Azure blob storage. Copy data from what's that? Azure blob storage to ADLS Gen 2 using the multiple files and using various options. That's the only thing we have it. So based on this, we will move further now. So as it is, guys, but now again, I have a blob storage. So let's use, can we use the same blob storage? My question is that, can we use the same blob storage for further processing? Or do we require to
Yes.
create? Yeah, we can create it. Am I right? We can use the same. Okay, I'll do one thing now. Guys, everybody, just have a look on this. Just 1 minute. One minute. Okay, guys, so that's it. So let's begin the process. Now, what I will do is, here is the situation. So now what I will do is just go to the storage account. Everyone, what is my storage account? Guys, everyone, this is the source now. So what I will do is now, instead of disturbing the existing one, what I will do, guys, everyone, instead of disturbing this, what I will do is, I will create a container here, separate container. I will create it. Click on the create. So input already is there. So what is another one? I can use something input one. Am I right? Can I use the input one, guys? Hello?
Yes.
I can create the input one and click on the create. That's it now. So without disturbing the existing structure, I can create one more container here. Okay, input one. So guys, so is it okay? Everyone is following, or shall I take a new account? Tell me.
We are following.
Your voice is not clear, mom, please.
Yes, sir. We are. I mean, I am following at least. Yeah.
Okay. So let's go ahead. So now click on this input one. Now add some files here, some files. Just click on the upload and add your input one container with some blobs. Blobs means some files. So just use it here. Any file you can use it. So I'm using the file called movies.csv, planes.csv, routes, sales. Okay. And export. And in the same way, I want various files. You can use the countries as well, and you can use the airlines as well. So now just open this 7 files, upload it. See here, all the files are uploaded here, guys. Everyone, that's it. So leave it as it is here. So guys, that's it now. Now, once it is ready, the source is ready now. What about the sync? Let's create a sync here. So just go to this storage account. As I want the sync as a ADLS Gen 2. Click on the create. So use the sync. Use the sync storage. Multi-files. Sync storage. Okay, sync storage, multi-files. Just review it. Okay. You want to make this as in Gen 2. So select the advanced tab. And now come down and select, what is that? What is it? You have to select it. Tell me now, guys, everyone. Enable hierarchical namespace. Review it. and then click on the create. That's it. So now it's see here, it's creating.
So I have the one concern.
Please.
Yeah, what is the difference blob and Gentoo?
Basically, the data will be recorded here in the blob is a basic storage.
Okay.
Blob is a very basic storage. Gentoo is bit advanced storage, where the data is recorded in the Gentoo in the DFS format, which we call it as what? Distributed file for system. Distributed file system. Okay.
Distributed file system. Okay.
Yes. So what is distributed file system? You'll come to the very shortly. Okay.
Okay, sure.
That's it. So now, guys, let us go ahead. Go to this. And now click on the container. Everyone. Click on the new container. And now give the container name, guys. The container name is output. Output one only I'll give it. Why? Because output is already there. Okay, that's different account now. I'll use output. Or else let's give output one only. No problem. So just click on this. And as per the process, it should be empty. So leave it as it is. So now, guys, the source is ready. And the sync is also ready with 0 files here in the sync system. Now go to this directly the same. So I can use, can we use the same copy activity? My question is that
there it is change wild path.
generally we don't use the same copy activity for the next process. Generally, this is the process, we don't follow it. So if such is the case, what we do is simply we create a new pipeline. Directly create a new pipeline. That's it. Don't disturb the existing pipelines. Okay.
Sure.
So now click on this PL underscore blob 2. Yes, guys, blob 2 gen 2. Sorry. Blob 2 gen 2 copy. That's it, guys. So now the things are fine now. So I'm taking a new copy activity. That's it. Copy this now, guys. So I'm using it the name because everywhere copy activity means you may have a confusion. So I'll just try to give it here. Copy multiple files. That's it. Okay, now copy multiple files. That's this the name. So we can change the name anyways. So select the source, guys, and select the source data set. Ready now?
Yeah.
But source means, is it the same? Yeah, source, fine. Go to the sync, select and sync dataset. Do you have any sync dataset created so far? See, do we have any dataset here?
Oh, sir, but here we want to create one link services also.
Okay, yeah. So that is the thing. So these are all the things which you have to consider it anyway. So anyways, we can create it. Just a minute. We can create the data set within the pipeline itself. You need not go again here and create it. Okay. Directly can you see here in the sync system, you will have a new option is there.
Yes.
Click on this new. Now type it here Gen2. And now the files which I wanted is, what is it? CSV. Select it here. Anyways, so I'm using it ds underscore source underscore, sorry, sync underscore. Sync underscore, what is it I want? Tell me now.
Gen2. ADLS Gen2.
Yes, ADLS Gen2. Yeah, that's it, guys. Select the link service here. Link service. Do we have any link service? No, we have not
No.
created. We can create directly here itself. Click on the new. So use it here. ls underscore adls underscore gen2. Select the same store, the subscription you have it. Storage account is a sync storage multiple files. That's it. And now click on the test connections. That means you cannot, you need not go again to the link service and create. Directly you can do it here itself. So click on the create. That's it, guys. Now everything is fine. Everyone, is it fine now? The link service is ready. So what about this storage account? So just click on the file path,
Output one.
outputs. It should be empty. So leave it as it is. That's it, guys. Click on this ready. Now the next one is go to the source. Just open the source also as well, because you have mapped to a folder, guys. Everyone, you have mapped to a folder. Okay, because already just go to the source here. Okay, you have mapped to the airlines file. That means only one file will be copied in this case.
Yes. Yes.
So what is it you have to do?
You want to change the output one and
Just go to the browser, but you're not able to get it here. Why? What's the problem? Okay, no problem. I will create a new
Otherwise,
data set as well.
sure.
I will create new data set. That's better now. So click on the
Yes.
new, and now click on the blob storage. Everyone, selected the blob. I want the CSV file, new file, so I'm using it. DS underscore what's it? Blob underscore source one. Okay. So select the link service. Same link service, you can use it anyways. But just browse it now. Now you got this input one and input two as well. Am I right? But
Yes.
whenever you wanted to copy multiple files, don't copy any file. Only copy till the input container or the till
You
container.
selected linker service, that is sync one, sir.
Let it be, no problem. Link service, maybe that's not a problem. But anyways, we are able to get the containers here, na?
Yes, yes.
Root containers, we are able to get it. So that means the link service is supporting.
Sure.
So input one, input two, both are visible, but I want to copy it from the input one now. So select the input one, leave it as it is. Okay, click on OK. So that means don't select the file here. Don't select any file. Don't select the directories if you have it. Just leave it as it is. Click on OK. Now the data set is also ready here. That's it, guys. Source one. And now go to this pipeline now. Immediately go to the pipeline. And now select the change the data set here. Which data set you want? Source one. That's it. Sync is ready. Now, whenever you wanted to copy the multiple files from the file path option, everyone, from the file path option, guys, from the file path option, use an option called file path type. From the file path type, select the option called what? Wildcard file path. Select the option called what? What's it, guys? Wildcard file path. Multiple files. And now here can you see wildcard file path, input wildcard folder path, input what is it? Input wildcard file name. So if you want all file names, use a star here. Star means what? All files. That's it. That's it, guys. Nothing else to be followed here. Done. Debug. Debug. That's it. It's processing now.
So, Samir, if we already, if we, with this wildcard, if we mention star over there and if we publish that data, and next time if we just want only single or double file need to be copied, then what to do?
If such is the case, create a new data set and map it that one. Or if the other thing is there, I have a other option. I'll show you just a minute. Anyways, guys, see here you have it. Can you see one or two files if you want? Succeeded here. Go to this output. Refresh it once. You got all the files? Huh?
Yes.
Now the next one, the next question. Yeah. What we will do is now the another one I will show you the all options. Go to this pipeline, everyone. Now, guys, what is that I wanted to do is I want a particular file to be copied. So just use the option called prefix option. I want to copy only those files where the file is starting with airline. Sorry, A. Where the file is starting with what's it? Yes, guys.
A.
A. That's it.
Letter A.
Letter A. Just use this and debug now. Just a minute. Just a minute. I'm canceling this debug. Cancel. Why? Because
Change output.
everything is there already in the output now. I'll empty up the outputs. Okay. Just go to this. So select it here. Okay. Yeah, I'll use. Okay. I'll use M here. That's it. Capital M.
Is it case sensitive?
Oh, yes. It is case sensitive. So all the files which is starting with M will be copied. That's it. Succeeded. Go to this one. Refresh it now. Huh? Fine, everyone.
Yeah, got it.
So this is the way. The other way is that, guys, everyone, the other way is that you can also have the list of files. Browse it. In the input, what is the list you want? Can you see it? You can select any list. Okay. So you can just select it here as it is. Can you see it? Under the input, I want the planes.csv. Okay. So likewise, you can add it. Okay. So this is the way you can have. So these are the four options. File path in dataset means what? Only one single file if you want to copy. Prefix means what? You want to copy based on the prefix. That means based on the starting character of the file. And wildcard means all files. Okay. And list means what? A specific files whichever you wanted that you can copy it. Okay, guys. So these are all the options we can use.
For
it
list
for
of files, it is possible to 2 or 3 at a time.
no, for list of file, only one is possible.
Okay.
Okay. So anyways, so these are all the options we have it, guys. That's it. Okay. So this is the thing we have it, and rest of the case studies we will just start it from tomorrow. Yeah. Any doubt?
Okay.
Please go ahead.
Yeah, I have one question. Like, what if like we have a multiple files with different extensions? In that case, in target store data set, right? Like we are selecting as a CSV. So how we will select a multiple options
Yes.
there. Like,
Yeah. Yeah. We will see this case study tomorrow.
oh, okay.
We have option this. I'll show you this tomorrow. How to read the data when you have multiple different format files. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
We have seen only the CSV files now.
Hmm.
Okay. Okay. So that's it. Thank you, guys. Just ending up the class here. Everyone.